एक्चुअली गव्हर्मेंटान जे भाशेन लोकांक मागणी केल्ली आदितान तुमची ऑफिशल्स आमची गांवांत धाडे म्हूण तर आयज म्हाका दिसता गव्हर्मेंटान ते लोकांची मागणी आयकून ऑफिशल्सांक WRD ऑफिशल्सांक आमच्या गांवांत धाडले. तेणी सगळे पयलीं म्हणून आदी म्हणून तेणी ग्रावंड व्हेरिफिकेशन केल्लें. आयज तेणी जी ऑब्जेक्शन आहली तेजेर तेणी लोकांची से घेतल्या आनी पोत्तून नोट करून व्हेल्या. सो आमची एक सरकाराक एक खोर मागणी आनी एक पावट जी आमी सजेशन्स ऑब्जेक्शन्स जे CZMP प्लॅनाचेर केल्या ती सजेशन्स आहा ती घेवची आनी ऑब्जेक्शन म्हणजे आमी आमकां जें कितें नाका म्हणलां स्पेशली पोर्ट लिमीट जेटीस त्यो नाका म्हणल्या त्यो आमचे CZMP प्लॅना वयल्यो काडच्यो.
That means it has to looked after by the PW department. So I request the chairman of the CZMP, whoever, to depute the PWD officials to and the survey department to note the cross pipes which are very essential for regulation of water from one khazan to the other khazana, and mark on the plans. There are many cross pipes which are not been shown on the new boring bridge, on the highways are not marked from the boring to Angadi. This highways has to be marked, which has two major cross pipes, and this water from Kunderi Khazan, Kunderi Tenant Association, we crosses into the Nogdana Khazana, and it is goes to the river. This is the only way where the water can be goes to the river side. Others, on the old bridge, there is a old Portuguese culvert type which is been not shown, and water bodies are there, and water bodies are also been missing in the plan. So I also request the concerned authorities to look into this matter. I think because by not showing on the every plan, and every time we cannot raise objection on the same point. This is the third time we are, as a tenant association, we have been raising objection from the day one when they had asked us to raise the objection. Yeah. Okay, so I think in some way or the other they are trying to hide something from the people or from the members.
जे पण जालो हा ते एक्झॅक्टली रॉंग हा. तेजे शेजारी आमचे आमगे वॉटर बॉडीज वो स्विच गेट बी सारकी दाखोवंक ना त्यो आतां हेजे आमी ते सारकेला आयज.
ओके म्हणल्यार तुका गव्हर्मेंट हो आमचो जे WRD धाडले तेंचे तुमकां विश्वास आसा?
मातशें नॉट 90% आहा.
ओके म्हणजे जायतो ऑब्जेक्शन आसलेले की आयज CPAD जी इनलिगल दाखयलें थिंगा जेटी म्हणून प्रपोज केले तेजे तुजें कितें म्हणून आहा?
ते एक्चुअली रॉंग ते कित्याक आनी थिंगा हें आमगेली डॉक मारलेली ती आतां तीन दाखयलें की हें कितें आमगेलें जेटी दाखयलें MPT. सो ते एक्चुअली रॉंग अशें मुगे पासून ते रॉंग.
हय फाल्यां समज कोल येयलो जाल्यार हो कितलो हार्मफूल आहा तो खबर आहा तुमकां लोटलीकार?
चड सारको डेमायज. सो कित्याक गोराय लागीं आहाय सगळीं लागीं आहाय कित्याक ते साम क्लोज बाय आहाय सार तेका.
सो यू आर ऑब्जेक्टिंग टुडे?
ऑफ कोर्स.
Now the WRD has made a plan. They have taken the trouble to visit the site, and details have been collected and put on the WRD plan, but the same details have not been implemented on the CZMP plan. So we are trying to show them where the details are not implemented, and to make sure that they don't override whatever is there existing.
Okay. A lot of people have fear today looking at the situation and the execution of the plan. It looks like coal hub is going to be in Lotoli itself.
Yes, it is there. They are trying to see. If you go to see as per the plans, they are saying the structures will not be shown, but yet they are showing the jetties which are not there. They are showing jetties. Then there are some shipyards. They are also structures, but they are showing this.
So but it is illegal shipyards actually.
Absolutely illegal shipyards. Maybe they started as workshops, and today they are graded into shipyards. But all these are there. Now, if you are not going to show structures, why are you showing this? There is some hidden agenda. So if you are showing structures, you should show all structures, or you should show nothing at all. If you are only going to show barns and waterways and mangroves, then you show only that. So there has to be a clarity which is not followed by the present plan making people. So that is makes the people very fearful what is actually in the minds of the authorities. And we are trying to get more information out of them and try to be as stakeholders try to make sure our details are there. We have a faith in the people who are doing, at least this department people who are there, we have a full faith in them. That's why we are now, if you see, it's already close to 2 o'clock. We had come here at 10 o'clock in the morning. We are there.
And company at Washe has landfill an area of approximately 16,000 square meters of the Comunidad of Lotoli, and that area has been shown as a shipyard stroke jetty. Similarly, there is a 3,500 square meter area belonging to Captain of Ports, Government of Goa, which is also shown as shipyard. The land belonging to Government of Goa cannot be shown as a shipyard because it is not a shipyard, it is a low-lying marshy lands shown on the Form 1 and 14. And Chogli and Company at Washe, if they are not given to that property of the government, do not enjoy a waterfront.